After a U.S. appeals court took aim at Donald Trump's trade war, members of his administration are firing back.
This was weaponized partisan injustice at its worst.
The court ruled many of Trump's tariffs enacted without Congress by declaring national emergencies are illegal, including the ones against Canada and Mexico, based on accusations of cross-border fentanyl trafficking.
If China and the drug cartels from Mexico and Canada stop killing Americans tomorrow, tariffs go away. Ditto if the trade deficit went to zero.
But charges that this ruling is partisan fall flat, with the dissent written by a Democrat. A Barack Obama appointee says this former U.S. District Court judge.
As usual, I think President Trump is way off base in thinking that judges are political and they rule in accordance with the principles of the president who appointed them. That doesn't seem to be the case at all.
On social media, Trump painted the ruling in almost apocalyptic terms, writing, "If these tariffs ever went away, it would be a total disaster for the country," saying it would make us financially weak and we have to be strong.
Canada has been ripping us off for years on tariffs.
Only some of Trump's tariffs would be impacted by the ruling. Those enacted under an obscure act giving the U.S. president the authority to bypass Congress in times of war or national emergency. That would include the 35% tariffs on Canada for non-CUSMA compliant goods. Among those not impacted, the 50% duties on steel and aluminum and on copper products, and the tariffs on cars and trucks not built in the U.S. or covered by CUSMA. The Trump administration has until October 14th to appeal to the Supreme Court and will likely also ask the court to leave the tariffs in place until a decision is reached.
And none of this seems to be affecting Canada's efforts to reach a trade deal with Trump.
Yeah, Ian, Canada U.S. Trade Minister Dominic LeBlanc was here in D.C. last week, and he said the talks are coming along and he's keeping in touch with Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick. He's now focusing on technical issues that need to be sorted out before the two countries could head back to the negotiating table. Now, Canadian officials have said that it is unlikely Canada will walk away with no tariffs at all.
Caroline Bargut reporting from Washington.